Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about skincare, and whether you're a beginner or pro, it's very essential for you to know the basics of skincare. So I'm going to share with you 4 tips that are going to help you maintain a healthier and a glowy skin. But before I continue, kindly hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. So we are going to start off with a very basic one, and that is cleansing. This is the very first step in any skincare routine. Cleansing your skin removes oils, impurities, or any dirt that may have formed. And you also have to know that you have to use a cleanser that works best for your skin. For example, foaming cleansers work best for oily skin to remove excess oils. If you have a dry skin, a gel or a creamy cleanser would be a better option for you. If possible, when cleansing, use lukewarm water because it helps open up the pores and makes removal of dirt easier. And makeup or not, it's very essential for you to cleanse your skin because it helps prevent breakouts and unclog the pores. It also preps the skin for other skin products that you're going to introduce onto the skin. So you can do this twice a day, morning and then evening before you go into bed. So the second tip or step is moisturizing. Moisturizing your skin is so important. I can't overemphasize that because it keeps your skin hydrated, especially for some of us with dry skin. When the skin is dry, it becomes flaky and prone to lines. It becomes dull. So for different skin types, there are different moisturizers. An oil-based moisturizer, it would be very good for dry skin, whilst an oil-free moisturizer would be a better option for an oily skin. When applying, you should make sure your skin is damp enough to help lock in the moisture for a deeper hydration, and you apply to your face and your neck areas in circular motion. Also, you'd have to pay much more attention to the very dry and rough areas of your skin. Moisturizing keeps your skin looking very soft and smooth. The third step or the third tip is sunscreen. UV rays can cause so much damage to your skin to the extent of causing premature aging. So it is very essential to wear sunscreen every day, even if you're not spending so much time outside. For most skin types, a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 provides enough protection. UV rays can cause long-term damages like sunspots and wrinkles, and so sunscreen is very important. Apply it 15 to 30 minutes before going out, and you can reapply it every 2 to 4 hours or after sweating or swimming. 2 other important tips for a healthy skin are hydration and a healthy diet. Staying hydrated can help keep your skin healthy and plump. You have to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. For example, I like to always have a reusable water bottle with me throughout the day to ensure I stay hydrated. Apart from staying hydrated, maintaining a healthy diet is so important. Eat a lot of fruits and vegetables to provide your skin the needed nutrients and vitamins to stay healthy and glowing. These are my top 5 tips for maintaining a healthy and a glowy skin. Remember, you'd have to know your skin and know what works best for your skin type. Your skin is the largest organ of your body, and so you'd have to treat it well. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye!